In the first two videos of the series, you saw me make chocolate cake, vanilla buttercream, and peanut butter buttercream. Now we're going to put all those components together. First, you're going to fit a large piping bag with a round tip. I'm using a Wilton 1A tip and an 18-inch Ateco reusable piping bag. If you want your layers to have more filling, use a bigger tip, and if you want less filling, use a smaller tip. Make a dam around the outside of the cake. Fill it with the peanut butter buttercream and smooth it out to the top edge of the dam. You're going to repeat all those steps for the rest of the layers. You can always get super extra with your fillings. This cake would be great with chocolate ganache added, or peanut butter cups chopped up and sprinkled on top of the buttercream, or even a little salted caramel. Flip the last layer upside down so that what was on the bottom of your cake pan is on the top of the cake. That gives your cake a nice, crisp edge. Put a little buttercream in a separate dish or bowl and spread a thin layer over the top and sides. That's called crumb coating. It seals in all the crumbs and protects the cake from getting dry when you chill it in the fridge. Chill the cake in the fridge for about an hour or until the crumb coat and buttercream dam is firm.